have now sockets. These small sockets what I have here in my hand are sockets what you need for studs, for bolts on Fuso and Canter. So that's Mitsubishi trucks, smaller trucks. They have a special socket, or they need a special socket. I'm sorry. These special socket, as you can see here, it has a square on this side, and it's like on the drive side. As you can see here, drive side as well, a square. But we need this square and rail for the bolt itself, because the problem is that when you have these trucks, they lock their rims with a square instead of a 6-point or a 12-point or stuff like that. There are 4 different sizes in the set. You can see this is the smallest. This is 17 millimeters, goes via 19 millimeters, 20 to 21 millimeters. It depends a little bit about the size of this truck. So that was our idea, not to sell them single, because this application is so special that it makes more sense to have all 4 in one set, that our customers are ready for this. Otherwise they just buy one socket and then they have the problem that they, in the worst case, need one of the other 3. And so it was, in my eyes, a very good idea to put all the 4 in one set, and so they're ready for all these Mitsubishi Canter and also the Fuso trucks. We move on to the next item because there's nothing more to say about that, and yeah, let's go ahead.